Hi, I'm Leo. This video is talking about what happened in my Chinese New Year vacation.
你在干嘛？怎么还不睡？
我在录寒假作业的影片。好，重来吧。明天录好了，应该没关系。Yep, I forgot it. So let's take a look at what happened in my Chinese New Year now. Before the Chinese New Year, I went to RT Mart 2 times, Costco 3 times, and Carrefour 5 times to buy a lot of gift boxes, snacks, beverages, and so on. And I cleaned my bedroom, study room, and store room. It takes me 14 hours. Then, my mom and I made 12 dishes for the reunion dinner. I didn't take any photo because I felt so tired. In the next day, my parents and I went to 3 temples. There are a lot of people everywhere. When I drive home, I shoot a really beautiful sunset on Freeway 1. After the busy New Year, I met some senior high school friends. I go to have afternoon tea in Taoyuan. The souffle is really delicious. The second day I went to Nankan and ate hot pots. Then I go to the Terminal 3 Coffee in Dayuan on the third day. This is an Airbus 380 of Emirates. And these are the 777 and the brand new 787 of EVA Airways. And I also practiced the fierce driving at the mountain road. After 2 hours, I stopped the car at the passing bay to dissipate the heat of the engine and the turbo compressor. After arriving at the top of the mountain, there's thick fog everywhere. So we slowed down our speed to pass through the humid area. These are the things I did in the Chinese New Year vacation. Thank you.